For some of us, another cardboard box or two or three arrives on the doorstep several times a week. 100 billion boxes are produced each year in the U.S. That's about 400 billion square feet of corrugated cardboard. And about 30% of all of that winds up in landfills. So before throwing out the boxes you get this holiday season, fill them up and give back. Here's how it works. Take one of those empty boxes and fill it up with items you want to donate. Could be DVDs, household items, toys, clothes, even small electronics. Be generous. And then visit the website givebackbox.com. You can choose a specific charity by paying for the shipping label yourself. You'll print out the label, put it on the box, and ship it off. Or you can make the donation to a local charity for free. Give Back Box will email you a QR code. Fill up the box and take it to a Kohl's department store where they'll scan the code and take care of any shipping for you. Give Back Box requests the items be new or in good condition, no liquids, and no books. The box of donations will be delivered to a charity near you.
And look around the house, Give Back Box specifically asking for donations of Lego toys. It's maybe the easiest way to help someone over the holidays and recycle these boxes. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.